Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you a very simple glitch effect that you can use on your Davinci Resolve. But first of all, you have to download a PNG file, which I will put the link under the description corner, and you all can download it for free. So let's drag this static PNG onto the media pool. Let's go to the edit tab, right click, and first you have to create a timeline. Let's call this glitch effects. After that, you have to right click again and create a new fusion composition. Let's call this glitch, and just bring this over to your timeline, click this and go to fusion, of course. And once you come to fusion, drag the first box, which is the background, and link these two together, and drag another box over here and link this to here, and create a merge and do some slight adjustments. And after that, let's call this a TV glitch, and then I'm not gonna adjust the font or anything, but I'm just gonna change the size. Since this is the simplest way to do the glitch effect, I'm not gonna edit a lot of other things over here and just focus on the basics. So I'm gonna drag this static PNG over here, and of course I'm gonna click the text and shift space and type displace. Of course it's not 3D, it's the normal displays, and I'm gonna change displays type. You can choose radial or XY, but I'm gonna start with XY first to show you what is the difference, and link this media to this displace. Click on this media in one, shift enter again, and find transform. Yep, transform. And then here comes the magic part. So let me close the media pool first and come to here. So I'm gonna hit displace. I'm gonna see first what it looks like with the original refraction of X and Y. If I'm unsatisfied with this, I can always click on the transform of this media, and I can always increase the size to make this glitch effect, less static, I would say, or I can shrink the size to make it smaller like this, so it's even more obviously static. And that's the first step. And secondly, you can adjust this position and see which part exactly that you want to make this glitch effect to have the most best overall outcome, in terms of this glitch shattering kind of effect. But once you've finished adjusting everything, I'm not gonna do a lot of adjustments. I'm gonna make this rather original, something like this, and I'm gonna come here, displays. I'm gonna bring this back to 0 for X refraction and Y refraction. Okay, so I'm gonna hit displace and go back to the start, 0 frames, and create 2 keyframes at the start, X refraction and Y refraction. I'm gonna hit my right arrow key, few frames, and then hit the X refraction as well as Y refraction, something like that. And few frames later, like this, I don't know, just adjust however you want to make it even more cool looking. But remember, you do have a frame, an invisible frame here, so you don't really want to make this, outside of the box, the invisible box. So, and at the end, everything is back to 0, something like that. And let's hit play from the start. Okay, remember just now there is another type called radial instead of XY, so I'm gonna change back to radial. And before the start of everything, let's change the refraction strength to 0.01 so it's barely, visible. And then let's go back to the start and let's create some keyframes. First, center, remember it's 0.5 and 0.5. And remember there is a refraction strength as well for keyframe. Hold on, I think I might have decreased the, something like that. Okay, let's hit displace and start editing. So basically, first you need to, of course, increase the refraction strength around, I think here it's okay. And I think this size a little bit too big, so I'm gonna shrink it a little like this. And then come back to displace and change the center like this, and this, and this, and any way you want to go. Okay, and we can change back to 0.01 for refraction strength, and the center as well, 0.5. Okay, and let's go back to the starting. Yep, it's kind of slow because the keyframes are a little bit wide apart, but overall I'm rather satisfied with this result. Alright, if you want to make your glitch as your background, it's very simple as well. So just drag a clip here and delete this background thing and link this media into merge. And obviously, sometimes it's a little bit too big, but I can always scale it down to it like this. Yep. Once I hit play, obviously the glitch effect stays the same, and as usual, you can always change the size of the static. Yep, something like this. And that's the end of today's tutorial. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much and bye bye.